Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Ford F-350 Super Duty with a 6.7 liter Powerstroke engine. That is sounding good, so I'll go ahead and take it for a tour. So it has the XLT package. Got your tow hooks up front, fog lights, alloy wheels. And back up a little bit, try to get this whole thing in the picture. Has two tow packages, as you're seeing. You do have a power supply back here. These are gray fabric seats. Okay, as we hop in here, you'll see it has 39,561 miles on this vehicle. Here's your trip computer, cruise control, push to talk, your stereo controls. It is prepped for a backup camera, but it does not have one. And then you also have your trailer controls, comfort controls, AM, FM, CD, Bluetooth. So, stereo works just fine. All right, and you also have two additional power supplies up here, two power supplies down here, including your USB. Here's your 2- and 4-wheel drive right there. This becomes a armrest, cup holder, or also you can seat 6. You do have a lockable glove compartment, and your upfitter switches are up here. So that about wraps it up for this Ford on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here up front. The airbags did not deploy. There's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. And it's passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.